Alright, so consider this question of type 3, in which it says that pipe A can fill an empty tank in 6 hours and pipe B in 8 hours. If both the pipes are opened and after 2 hours pipe A is closed, how much time will the pipe B take to fill the remaining tank? Alright, so we'll do our standard procedure, that is, we'll take the LCM of 6 and 8. LCM of 6 and 8 is going to be 24. So now this 24 can be considered as the total capacity of the tank, right? So with this total capacity and the time given for pipe A and pipe B, we can find out the efficiencies of A and B. A's efficiency is going to be 24 upon this 6 hours upon 6, that is going to be 4 units per hour, right? So if it fills 4 units per hour or 4 liters per hour, and if considering the overall capacity of the tank being 24 units or 24 liters, it will fill it in 6 hours. Similarly for B, if you divide 24 by 8 hours that it is taking, you will get 3 units per hour, right? So now you know that these are the efficiencies of pipe A and pipe B. It is saying that if both the pipes are opened and after 2 hours pipe A is closed. So for first 2 hours, for the first 2 hours, both the pipes were opened. The combined efficiencies of these two pipes are 4 plus 3, 7 units. That is the combined efficiency. So for first 2 hours, they would be putting in 7 into 2. 7 into 2, that is 14 units into the tank. And with overall efficiency being 24 units, the remaining capacity of tank is 24 minus 14. So it is going to be 10 units. So 10 units is the remaining capacity of the tank, which has to be filled by pipe B alone. We know the capacity of pipe B, that is 3 units. So the remaining 10 units will be filled in 10 upon 3. It is going to be 3 1 by 3 hours, right? So all you have done in this question is you have considered the combined time over which pipe A and pipe B are opened at the same time. So the combined efficiency will be considered for these 2 hours over here, and then for the rest of the capacity, that is 24 minus 10, 24 minus 14, 10 units, pipe B alone is going to function. Alright, so this concludes our type 3.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.